AZDOME M550 3-channel dashcam, front inside rear 3-way car dash camera, 4K plus 1080p dual channel with GPS Wi-Fi IR night vision. The GPS dash camera records the driving trajectory and speed accurately for you to view later. With the built-in Wi-Fi function and the free AZDOME app, you can view real-time videos on your iPhone or Android device while on the drive. Also, view and share recorded videos with friends and family in just a few clicks via the AZDOME application. Hidden 6 IR LED lights greatly enhance the image quality in the car. f1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy, even in low light. Built to survive extreme weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees centigrade, 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees centigrade, to meet the needs of extremely hot or extremely cold areas, providing a longer lifespan than lithium-ion battery dashcams in the market, so that nothing can stop you from exploring your next destination. 24-hour parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and impact reaches the G sensor level, then the camera will turn on and record 1min video, then locks it and saves it. It needs connect dash cam to external power. The built-in G sensor in AZDOME dash cam activates upon impact and records videos of up to 1 minute. The 3-axis impact G sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid the further investigation.